it's for the whole section of hair. So I'm just gonna apply it, rake it in the hair, eliminating time. Just hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. Today I bring you my most recent quick styling routine, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna prep my hair with my 5-in-1 leave-in spray from Has Beauty of argan oil. I did a review about this a while ago, so if you want to see it you can just go and leave the link here. So yeah, my hair's prepped and I'm just gonna divide my hair here. And like I said, what we're trying to do is to eliminate as much time from the process. Oh, before I actually start, because I'm gonna time how long it takes me to style the hair. I'm gonna put my timer and it's gonna start now. Oh, here. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna eliminate how much time we spend doing this. So I was doing this because I actually didn't have any time to waste on my hair. But first of all, one of the many things that I wanted to try on this video is how my products interact. You know, I'm using the Line Undefining Curls Cream and the Eco Style Argan Oil Gel. So I want to see how they interact with each other. So this may take a little bit from the styling time, but what's a minute or two? That's not really a lot. So here's a little bit of the styling cream, the Line styling cream, and here's a little bit of the gel. I'm just gonna mix them, see if they make anything. Oh, so they are interacting very well. See, there's almost no residue. There's like a film paste thing, but you cannot see it in my hands. So that's good. I like that texture. You know that I've used some creams, curling creams that have some ingredients that may just create a buildup and they just put residue in your hair. But this one doesn't. So I'm just gonna apply a generous amount of my curling cream, like this much. And this much is for the whole section of hair. So I'm just gonna apply it, rake it in the hair, eliminating time, just going fast on it. You know that I don't really put product here close to my roots because I live in Panama and it just makes your scalp very itchy if you put a lot of product closer to your scalp. So I just leave like a tiny little bit of space in between my application of the product into my hair. So now that my hair has some of all the curling cream, you can actually feel it in the hair. And now I'm gonna style. I'm gonna divide the same way I've always do. And the only difference that I'm gonna have with this is that I'm gonna glaze the gel on top of the curls, the already styled curls. So I'm gonna grab a section like this, smoothing out the hair, use my brush. You know, I'm using my actual detangling brush for styling, and I will style as always. Up and away, smoothing out the hair, and I'll do the same with the rest of the hair. Liberal sections, I'm not worrying about having a certain amount of sectioning. I'm just smoothing out the hair, styling the curls. You see, it's pretty fast. I'm not taking much time. I don't even trying to look at the curls, because if you're in a pinch of time like I was, and I didn't have enough gel to style my hair, and you know I really like styling my hair with gels, I thought that this way I could use enough product to style my hair and still it would come out looking pretty good. So this is how they look. I know they don't look very promising, but bear in mind, this is you're saving time. So you just grab some gel and just glaze it over, and you're gonna try to find all the hair without disturbing it too much, because then you'll have frizz and you don't want frizz. So just gonna glaze over it with the gel, and this is just gonna give you a nice natural curl pattern. It's not gonna be frizz-free, completely frizz-free. Grabbing a little bit more of gel because I feel like this one needs a little bit of more hold. But like I said, I'm just gonna continue doing this side. I'm just gonna add some water to it. So here, where I land here, I would divide it this way. Like, I'll take a diagonal section of the back, and I will divide my hair that way. Let me just clip this side away. And because this is the top, I would go individually with the curling cream. So for this section, I would use this much curling cream. Again, quick styling. Think about time. You're in a rush. And I don't remember how long it took me. I think this takes around 15 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes, so we'll see how long it takes me. Again, another broad diagonal section in the back. Clip this away to one side. I'm going to detangle. For some reason it's wanting to tangle today. See, it's not only you that you have to fight with your hair sometimes. Sometimes I have to fight with mine. So now I'll grab my curling cream, put it on, raking in the curling cream so all the strands are saturated. But you see, the pattern is very natural. I feel like it's loose. It enhances the natural pattern of your curls. So gel again, and glazing all over. Just gonna glaze it all over the hair. And then scrunch to encourage the curl. Scrunch it back again, and I'm just gonna flip it to the back. And with this final piece here, I'll just style it the same way. You really have to keep in mind that you need your hair to be really detangled. And curling cream. So you see, I haven't done anything different. I'm sorry, I'm looking like a scary movie right now. I haven't done anything different through my whole styling. So very simple. And with very large clumps of hair, so large sections of hair. And here, picking up some hair from here. I will just style my hair. Gel. Grab the section and glaze it with the gel. And it's funny, I don't think I have to show you how long it takes because it's probably gonna appear here on the video. So check my hair and stop my clock. So 15 minutes. So 15 minutes. That day I did air dry because I didn't have my blow dryer with me. I'm gonna time out how long it takes me to diffuse my hair just to make this process faster. But this is how the curls are looking in the back. And I'll be back just to show you how this 15 minutes quick styling routine looks. Well, these are the final results. Let me show you how long it took for it to diffuse. It took me 28 minutes and 45 seconds, 30 minutes probably, because I feel like there's some pieces of hair that may need a little more time to dry, but I don't like to diffuse until my hair is very, very dry. I like to keep a little bit moisture in there. But yeah, this is the final results, and this is what I was telling you, that it looks more natural. I don't know if you can see that my curls look more organic, which is exactly what I wanted to say. But let me show you how it looks from the back. Tell me how it looks. Not really sure. But yeah, this is exactly how my hair looks when I think I can get like a picture of me when I've dried my hair with no products, nothing on it, and it looks very similar. But this time, as you can see, my curls have some definition. Again, this isn't something that you do if you want really super defined curls, or you have the time to actually section your hair and define the curls. This is only an easy way to do your hair when you have no time, and if you don't mind a little bit of frizz, because there's if I can go in a little, there's like a little frizz here, and especially in the ends there's some frizz. But if you're like me and you don't mind, you just go on with your day. The diffusing time, it just adds up to the time, and when I did this the first time, when I was doing, you know, that quick styling, I simply went on with my day. I styled my hair for 15 minutes, boom boom boom, and I went on with my day. I just simply let it air dry. I need air dry pretty much this way, and I really like it. I think it looks really nice. It's different from how I normally have my hair. But if you are in a time that you really need to wash your hair, you can, and don't have all your products, or you just have very little time, at least your hair is gonna feel very nice and very clean after. So comment below, tell me what you think. I think, I don't know, I love the volume. And you have, when you have curly hair, you have to learn to love the volume of your hair. I don't know if I can wear it sideways. Let me try to put it sideways, because it's, you know, I like it sideways sometimes. Yeah, that, wow, that's much better. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at Panacurls, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!